morning, all of you present over here. Myself, Shweta. Welcome to Lockdown Classes. Today, I am going to discuss you about objective questions of biology. Let's start. My first question is: in human body, where pituitary gland is located? In human body, where pituitary gland is located? My answer is brain. Base of the brain. It is also known as master gland. My second question is: how many ribs present in human body? How many ribs present in human body? 24 ribs present in human body. 12 pairs and 12th pair. My third question is: transport of oxygen in human body is? Transport of oxygen in human body is? Answer is blood. My fourth question is: how many muscles are found in human body? How many muscles are found in human body? Answer is 639 to 650 muscles are found in human body. My fifth question is: how many temporary teeth in human body? How many temporary teeth in human body? Answer is 20 teeth is temporary in human body. My sixth question is: which is the largest part of brain? Which is the largest part in brain? Answer is cerebellum. Answer is cerebellum. My seventh question is: in human body, which organ has maximum power of regeneration? In human body, which organs has maximum power of regeneration? Answer is liver. Liver have a power to regenerate 80% of regeneration. My eighth question is: which is the largest blood vessels in human body? Which is the largest blood vessels in human body? Answer is aorta. Answer is aorta. My ninth question is: how many ribs present in human body? 24 ribs are present in human body, 12 pair and 12 another pair. Third question is: transport of oxygen in human body is? ब्लड जो हमारी ऑक्सीजन ट्रांसपोर्ट करने में हेल्प करती है. हाउ मेनी मसल्स आर फाउंड इन ह्यूमन बॉडी? सिंपल आंसर 639 to 650 muscles are in human body. How many temporary teeth of human body? 20. We know 20 temporary teeth. The question is: in human body, where is tibia bone found? In human body, where is tibia bone found? Answer is leg. In leg, tibia bone found. My 10th question is: what is the dental formula of adult human? Dental formula of adult human: 2123 by 2123. It is a formula of dental. My 11th question is: what is the dental formula of child? What is the dental formula of child? 212 by 212. It is a dental formula of child. My 12th question is: how much blood is present in human body? How much blood is present in human body? Answer is 4.5 to 5.5 liter. Blood is present in human body. My 13th question is: which part of external organs is largest in human body? Which part of external organs is largest in human body? Answer is skin. Maximum 6.5 centimeter. My 14th question is, which part of internal organ is largest in human body? Internal organ is largest in human body is liver. Its average is 1.6 kilogram, 3.5 pound. My 15th question is, in human body, which gland produce hormone? Which gland produce hormone? Endocrine gland produce hormone. My 16th question is, which part of brain is known as a little brain? Which part of brain is known as little brain? Answer is cerebellum. Cerebellum is the little part of brain. My 17th question is, name the water soluble vitamin. Name the water soluble and vitamin. Answer is vitamin B and C. Vitamin B and C is a water soluble of vitamin. My 18th question is, what is called as study of vitamin? What is called of study of vitamin? It is called vitaminology. Vitaminology. My 19th question is, what is the normal blood present in human? What is the normal blood present in human? Answer is 280 by 120 mmHg. Hg stand for mercury. Hg stand for mercury. 80 by 120 mmg Hg. My 20th question is, which fruit is best for the health? Which fruit is the best of the health? Answer is strawberry, blackberries, and blueberry, etc. These fruits are best for the heart. My 21st question, normal size of heart. हमारे हार्ट का नॉर्मल साइज क्या है? 11.41 सेंटीमीटर. It ranges 3 to 14 centimeter. What is the weight of heart? हमारे हार्ट का वेट कितना है? 250 to 350 ग्राम. Which side of heart is located? हमारा हार्ट किस साइड में लोकेटेड है? तो वो लेफ्ट और राइट चेस्ट के बीच में, मिडिल ऑफ द चेस्ट में लोकेटेड है. हाउ मेनी डेड सेल प्रेजेंट इन ह्यूमन बॉडी? 1 million dead cell in human body present in human body. Name the dead cell in human body. There are many types of dead cell in human body, such as nail, hair, teeth, etc. These all questions are very important. So thank you and have a nice day.